Michael Avenatti was arrested today and faces federal charges on both sides of the country. He is the lawyer who represented adult film actress Stormy Daniels in lawsuits against President Trump, as well as alleged victims of singer R. Kelly. Now Avenatti is accused of trying to shake down Nike for millions. Here's Jericka Duncan.
Shortly after posting a $300,000 bond, Michael Avenatti addressed the media.
I am highly confident that when all of the evidence is laid bare in connection with these cases, when it is all known, when due process occurs, that I will be fully exonerated and justice will be done. Thank you.
Michael Avenatti went from controversial media-savvy attorney to an accused extortionist all in a matter of days. This afternoon, federal prosecutors said Avenatti tried to extort more than $20 million from Nike last week. He allegedly threatened to go public with accusations from an amateur basketball coach claiming the apparel company was involved in an illegal recruitment scheme. Avenatti allegedly demanded $1.5 million for the coach and as much as $25 million for him and his co-conspirator. CBS News has learned the co-conspirator is attorney Mark Geragos, known for representing clients like Michael Jackson and most recently Jussie Smollett. U.S. Attorney Jeff Berman.
Avenatti's conduct had nothing to do with zealous advocacy for a client or any other kind of legitimate legal work.
The complaint highlighted phone calls monitored by law enforcement. Avenatti allegedly threatened Nike, saying, "I'm not effing around with this, and I am not continuing to play games. You guys know enough now to know you've got a serious problem, and it's worth more in exposure to me to just blow the lid on this thing." CBS News legal analyst Ricky Kleeman says it appears Avenatti crossed a legal line.
Michael Avenatti certainly had a right to try to settle the case on behalf of a client. That's what lawyers do. But he certainly didn't have a right to be looking for money for himself.
And in a case filed at almost the same time, federal law enforcement officials in California announced Avenatti had been allegedly defrauding a Mississippi bank out of a total of $4.1 million and embezzling $1.6 million that he owed one of his clients. Federal prosecutors in California and New York say the dual Avenatti complaint was purposely coordinated. For its part, Nike released a statement saying it firmly believes in ethical in both in business and sports and will continue to assist the prosecutors.
Michael Avenatti was actually here in New York. You were supposed to talk to him about a different story tomorrow.
Separate story.
We probably won't see that unless he wants to talk about this.
Absolutely. We want to talk about this first.
Okay, Jericka.
We'll get to the other stuff later.
Thanks, Jericka.